Hey, can I ask you one question? What you finna do with that bitch?
Why?
Share.
Rockstar, King Freeway. Picasso. Just gave the Draco the Rockstar. You better not play with Rockstar. I do not play about Rockstar. Play with him, you will get shot hard. I cannot stop sipping walk hard. Feel like my heart about to start. Living my life like a rock star. High in the back of the cop car. Smoking on dope, I don't pop bar. You niggas took it a lot far. Skinny jeans, that's what my nuts are. Your shit looking like Pop Tarts. Try to rock.
Last night too. Oh shit, copyright.
Hey, we here. We here, guys. We'll be back. We'll be back when niggas get the slide. Hey, we out here. Look at this nigga. Gotta watch our back next time. Had to get right, my phone flew out my pocket.
Y'all crack?
Hell nah.
Damn.
It have been like that though.
That work?
Yeah, we good, baby. Damn. Man, this nigga need to bring that scat out. Now get out. That nigga holding that bitch.
That's how you motherfucking slide. That's how you motherfucking slide. God damn.
like riches. We scatter like riches. Niggas is up out of here. Niggas is up out of here. Nigga, damn, how long? Calm down. He just clearing the lot. That nigga got a G-Wagon out here, nigga. We got a G-Wagon out here, nigga. Mexican niggas rich in the bitch. It ain't good. Look at this nigga in the little Miata. What the fuck you doing? I knew y'all stupid ass was gonna pull it out. Hold on now, baby. Look though, first spot was lit, man. Nigga, that nigga right there. He sliding that bitch. He sliding that bitch. I bet he want to slide it right here. Bet he want to slide it right here. He ain't on that. But look though, but chill. We gonna get back to y'all when we get to this next spot, gang. And we in this bitch. Yeah, we in this bitch. He finna go on the curb. He said, fuck that. That is deep in the bitch. You don't think so? You don't think so? Oh shit. Oh shit. We got that 4x4, bitch. We got that 4x4, bitch. Hold on, bitch. Yeah, we in this bitch, on God. Gang shit, no lame shit. Nigga, we cutting lines like a bitch. Fuck that. Look at all them niggas back there. We skipped all their ass. Damn, they just ran her ass over. Oh shit, and left her. Damn, she tripping. What the fuck wrong with her? Bro, why she jumping on top of car? She on the ground screaming. You ain't even hurt. You ain't even hurt. She never got your ass in the street. I swear to God, but she is out here tripping. This lady jumped on one car and then they moved. She got off that hoe. So then her Impala came around and she jumped on top of that hoe. They was not playing with her, nigga. They did not stop. Nigga, they started swerving and shit. She fell right off that bitch. Now she on the ground crying, family. Stop. Well, hell no. Don't do that. Nigga put quiet tips on that bitch. They got my old shit, y'all. Look at Shad.
Yeah.
Look at Shad there. Hey, nigga.
On the counter.
Hey, nigga. Hey, nigga. That's Shad like a bitch.
But yeah, they
She still on this hoe, dog.
Like her wig out her head.
What the fuck?
Put the hoe out the window. Girl, get your ass up off that goddamn float. Get your motherfucking ass up. All that crying and shit.
Oh, he finna hit her ass. He finna run her over, nigga. He finna kill her
ass. Get your motherfucking ass up. Shut the fuck up. Go get your motherfucking ass up. Boy, what the fuck this guy? Damn, nigga set the alarm off on that hoe. Come on. Oh, Lord, we came out at the wrong time. Yeah, somebody robbing that hoe. Oh, no, her ass over there tripping. What you doing? You parking that hoe?
Park that hoe.
Lord. That nigga made a yo like a bitch. Hold on. That nigga made a you like a bitch. Where you going? That nigga, hell no. I know you ain't finna come. What the fuck? Come on, right here. Right here. Come on, right here. It's barely anybody out here. Come on, right here. Come on. You know you want to.
Man, go ahead and slide that bitch, bro. You playing. Spin that bitch one time. Just spin that bitch.
Right here?
Don't hit me. Don't kill me.
Right here?
Don't kill me.
Oh Lord, damn, this hoe got deep in a bit.
Yeah.
Who that is? Who that is?
Oh, that's a shot at.
Did somebody hit it or did I pop the tire?
Now this one hit that hoe.
Somebody hit that
Damn,
bitch.
y'all are fucking with me. I'm waiting on my tires to fly.
I did. Hey, are you with YLS?
My damn eyes, nigga.
Oh God, my shit got the debris. Let's go. Okay. I didn't go in a circle like that nigga play that. Nigga, that's school right there. Come on. Come on. You got the tires in the back too. Come on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What happened?
He's gonna hit it with you.
Hey, he gonna do a tandem. He gonna do a tandem.
With you.
Oh, that nigga got them bitches in the back. That nigga ready to cut up. Hey, can I ask you one question? What you finna do with that bitch?
Why?
Yes, sir. Oh, damn it. How you doing? Oh shit! That's how you slide that bitch. Nigga, that's how you slide that bitch. You still slide that bitch. Keep going. Keep going, nigga. Hey. Yeah, that hoe done. God. Y'all see my eyes?
Nigga, that shit all in my eyes, fam.
This car too beautiful.
Turn the fuck up.
This shit turned. Boy, this whole turned to the bitch. Oh God, Sunday fun day. Ah, Lord.
Run that cake.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Throw that out. Throw that bitch. Throw that bitch. Come on. Hey, hold on. Turn the traction off.
That bitch right there.
Come on. You good?
That bitch right there.
There you go. Come on. Your traction on? You got your traction on?
Get right.
There you go. Now get right. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Woo! 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 Oh shit! Tell these niggas turn this hoe up.
Damn.
Damn, that nigga walking a dog like me. Oh god, hey, you on YouTube, man? Free? Oh, man. My nigga free though. Oh god. Oh shit, damn, you really got hit? Oh. Damn, where the slide is at? Man, tell these niggas. What'd you say? Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. Let's get stupid. Now, the traction.
What happened? He said he got fireworks for us, nigga.
Oh, shit. Oh, God. You got some big bitches? You finna slide this hoe? Well, throw that bitch.
If you got bars, I'm gonna stand right here. If you don't, I'm moving.
Good thing I play football. Hey, hold that bitch. Whoa, hold on. Where the scats at? We off from Westmoreland and Redbird. There we go. Oh shit! What the fuck?
That nigga said big, big toe ass.
Got everybody upset. Oh Lord. Oh shit.
And he got them guns in that.
What?
Wait for the tandem.
Oh, y'all want to do a tandem? Yeah, they got
They
the.
trying to tandem them
I didn't see no interior purple before. Oh shit.
Get them out.
These niggas out here going. Oh my god. These niggas brought a helicopter out. I was getting real.
Coronavirus!
Oh my god.
It's getting real!
Copyrighted music playing.
It's real!
Oh my god.
We about to chop out, bitch.
Oh my god.
We about to chop out, bitch. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god, we about to chop out, y'all. It's lit. It's lit, nigga. What's up, nigga? We about to chop us out, nigga. Let's get it. We finna turn up some more. Stay tuned. Be back. Share. Yeah, bitch, I'm trying to hear that RT. I'm trying to hear that RT. Bitch, here we come. Now we finna roll their ass, y'all.
Like, we come for that nigga.
Alright, we back. Yes, Sirski, double Oski, broski. We in this bitch now, God. I see T ass right there, I think. Yeah, we lit, nigga. OG spot. OG spot in this bitch. Ain't shit. Shot finna hit this hoe. We lit though, y'all. We back. We at Royal. Y'all know it's finna get crazy. Niggas turning up in this hoe. Oh fuck! Look at this nigga. You ain't no killer nigga.
Let's go.
You ain't no killer nigga.
You ain't no killer nigga.
You ain't no killer nigga.
You ain't no killer nigga. Who the killer nigga? Oh, let's go, bitch. There, she got time. Bullshit. Slide that bitch. Slide it. Oh, you in the center. Go that way. Go the other way. There you go. There you go. Hold that bitch. Hold that bitch. How they come so fast? God damn.
Since